As the third generation in our family business, we are passionately keeping my grandfather's dream alive to help inspire people through makeup. From classic Hollywood films to LA Fashion Week, Cinema Secrets has been at the heart of Hollywood cosmetics for decades. My grandfather, Maurice Stein's 50-year makeup career credits over 200 films and television shows. Maurice founded Cinema Secrets Pro Cosmetics in 1984. His desire was to provide professional makeup artists with safe and effective cleaning tools and products. For over 40 years, artists and makeup lovers alike have been using Cinema Secrets' signature blue makeup brush cleaner around the world to keep their brushes clean. As our family-owned brand has faced the evolution of cosmetics, we have doubled down on our dedication to delivering the best makeup cleaning products on the market. We are proud to present our extended cleaning line, now including our Tropical Lemon Clear Brush Cleaner and Vegan Brush Soap. The new clear Tropical Lemon scented brush cleaner stays true to the original formula by being rinse-free and quick-drying. We have also added in a vegan coconut soap for deep cleaning brushes and sponges. Our family looks forward to continuing our dedication to pro makeup artists and makeup enthusiasts alike. Thank you for your years of support.